legit am gonna cry and it's just makeup. Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. What is going on? It is your girl, Orly C. And as always, hi, everyone. So if you're new to my channel, click the picture to subscribe. I do mommy, unboxings, everything to do with mom, everything to do with makeup, kind of an all-in-one channel. So I got a very special package waiting for me at my door. Beautylish. So let me talk to you while I start doing this. So I saw last year this thing called Lucky Bag, I think, and it's kind of like a surprise bag, and there's certain levels of money that you spend and then you get a bag. So I got some extra money for the holidays and I said, you know what, I want to try this. Let's see what's so special about this. And I thought, why not share it with you guys? Different versions. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. Okay, so there's different versions of this bag, and I got the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag 2020. And ignore the no makeup look. I'm going to pick up my kids real fast and I am organizing my room. It's a whole mess, but it doesn't matter because you just care about the unboxing. So Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. She is so lucky. She is a star. All right, anyone else Britney fan? All right, what is, oh my gosh, this package is really nice. I'm loving this wrapping. Oh, so this is the Jeffree Star mystery bag. Oh my gosh, I see something. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I see, this is what I wanted, and that's why I said I'm gonna take a chance. I believe this was $75. This is a lot of money. I'm not saying it isn't, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 products in here, and I think you're only supposed to have 5 maybe. You guys, I'm so excited. So check out some other videos I've done. I finally got to review Mint Condition. What does that mean? Skin Frost Highlighting Powder. Oh my God, I can't even. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, so this is, oh, it's called Mint Condition. I thought it wasn't Mint Condition. I was like, what? Oh, hello, Mint Condition. You know what? Oh my God, I'm using my finger right now. I just want to see. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like green. Oh, hello, shimmer right there. Look, nothing. And I smell makeup. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is what I wanted. I wanted one of his Skin Frost. I'm so excited. Yes, let's see what else I got. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is Baby Daddy, and he has the best names, by the way, for colors. And this one is Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Say it. I have no clue what I'm saying. I know what it is. I just can't say it. All right. So then I got 2 lipsticks. So let me just show you the colors. And I wanted to, it's kind of like a nude. I don't know. Oh, the packaging. Jeffree Star, your packaging is phenomenal. So let me show you. So let me just do a little swatch. All right. It looks like my skin. I don't know on this color, but maybe. That's the beauty of these boxes and whatnot. You can try it. You don't like it, you gift it to someone else. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. Yep, I could already tell. Look at this. And you guys can't really see, it has this like shimmer. So far that's 3 things I got. What is this? Shut up. Oh my God. This is the Liquid Frost Liquid Highlighter in Ice Queen. This is the one I wanted. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. You guys have no idea. Like, I took a chance, and like I said, it's a little expensive, but I had some holiday money, and well. Oh, look at this packaging. Oh, look at this. It goes up, it goes down. Bed go up, bed go down. You guys, this is gorgeous. So this is the Liquid Frost. You guys, I mean, right here alone, that's a lot of money. Next, I got, ooh, is this an eyeliner? Long-lasting matte finish. This is Velvet Lip Liner in allegedly. I love his names. Really does have good names. Okay, so you guys see this? Let me show you. Okay, that's gorgeous. I would use this as a lip color, not just a liner. This is beautiful. I need my cat that got caught in here. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at the cat. Jeffree Star, your packaging is freaking amazing, phenomenal. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at this. Shut up. I legit am gonna cry and it's just makeup. You guys. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh, I know what's inside of you. Oh, I know. But let me show you guys. This is the Blood Sugar palette. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You guys, these colors are freaking amazing. These are all semi like neutral. These are everyday colors I would wear. And then look at Cavity, Root Canal. Okay, hi. That I've had a few of those, so I'll probably be wearing that. The stamps. Can you guys see this one? It's a syringe, and everything else has Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, I'm shocked. This is like super expensive. Okay, well, so $75. I'm gonna check, and I'm gonna put the grand total of what all these products really do cost. Let me just. That's ridiculous. So I wanted to do this so you guys can see if it's worth it. What do you think? I did the Jeffree Star specific mystery bag because I love all of Jeffree Star products since his collab with Shane, and I am a fan, and this is what I wanted. I'm so excited. So if you enjoyed this unboxing of my lucky 2020 mystery box, let me know, did you get a box too, and what did you get in yours? And if you did the Jeffree Star one, did you get similar stuff? Let me know in the comments below. You guys, thank you so much. I'm so excited. I have lots of exciting videos, and a new channel is coming. Ooh, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, click my picture to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you got a lucky bag, or if you think I was lucky with like the goodies that I got. Thank you so much. Check out some other stuff I've reviewed, and I will see you guys, as always, in the next video. Bye, guys.